Inflation is lasting longer than expected, and it's causing concerns about economic growth. Trader Joe Tigay of Equity Armor Investments is standing by. And Joe, how are these concerns playing out in the stock market?
Yeah, and that's a great question. So the stock market had a little bit of a bottom and a nice recovery, and we're still waiting to see if it just is a bear market rally we saw. Now, the market was resisted at 4,200 in the S&P 500. It was like 12,950 in the NASDAQ, which happened to be the March low. So those are some natural spots for resistance. And for me, if we're going to get back into the bear market mode, we'll see some lower lows and some lower highs, and that remains to be seen. Now, the market was shaken a little bit by Janet Yellen saying that she was wrong about inflation and it was a greater risk than she had previously thought. And the worst case for inflation is higher costs, higher wages. It can turn into a self-fulfilling cycle where people demand higher wages, and then because people have more money, they're spending more on goods, which means that goods are more expensive, which means people are demanding higher wages, and that's where you get runaway inflation. So that's one thing the Fed is very concerned about.
Thanks, Joe, for your Trader Talk.
Thanks for having me.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.